Hey, I'm back. Welcome back to A1 One Stop Auto. I have a 2006 Nissan Altima with a no start issue. Car came in for a no start. Like I said, one of my quick tip features is to help quickly diagnose this car. I just pull to determine whether if it's an ignition problem or a fuel problem. I remove the air inlet duct, spray some brake clean inside, put about 2 good squirts, put the duct back on. Okay, then I reach into the car and crank it up. See, it fires up. So that lets me know we have a fuel problem here. So my next step is to get a wiring diagram to locate the wire that's going to the fuel pump. One good thing about these Nissans is you have to remove the back seat in order to get to the fuel pump. And the fuel pump is right there. I found out that the black and the yellow wire going to the fuel pump is the power source. So what I did to determine if I have power back to the fuel pump, I back probed that wire and installed a test light in series. So when I go crank it up, if it lights up, then I know that I have power coming back to the fuel pump. So give me a few minutes. I had to turn the switch back off. See, there's a light. So that means I have power back to the fuel pump. So as far as diagnosing, we have a fuel pump issue. I don't even hear it running. I'll get back to you if they decide to do the pump.